We have invited Perfecto de Mayo. Andiyan ba si Major Perfecto de Mayo? Siya yung Chief of Police ng Banban, Tarlac. Andito ba? Can we invite the Police Major Perfecto de Mayo, the former Chief of Police of Bamban?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, okay. Major de Mayo, natatanda mo yung panahon na pumunta sa yung Vietnamese na nakatakas dun sa Sunyuan Corporation sa Barangay Anupol, Bamban, Tarlac?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who informed you na may tumakas na Vietnamese national doon?
Yung may-ari po nung lote kung saan po siya natagpuan.
Ang nag-inform sa iyo yung si Mr. Santa Maria? Are you sure?
Yes, Your
Are
Honor.
you sure, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi meron silang affidavit that was signed, ha? Ha? Baka pag nakita ko doon sa affidavit nila na hindi sila tumawag sa iyo, I'm telling you, sino tumawag sa iyo at nagsabi na pumunta ka doon sa Samaritan?
Si Santa Maria mismo.
Si Santa Maria mismo ang nagsabi sa iyo.
Tumawag po siya sa talk po namin, Your Honor.
Tumawag sa iyo?
Yes.
Okay.
Sa TOC po namin.
Okay. So siya tumawag sa iyo at pumunta ka doon.
Actually, yung investigator po natin.
Sino yung investigador na pumunta doon?
Si Eduardo Hipolito, Your Honor.
Anong time and date mo na-receive yung pagtawag ni Mr. Santa Maria? You have to be precise, ha? Major De Mayo, ha? Ikaw ang Chief of Police ni Alice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anong time and date?
Sa record po namin, Your Honor, February 25 po.
February 25. 2024. Okay. According sa affidavit ni Nguyen Minh Duc, ito yung ito yung nagsuffer kaya tumakas eh. And he was saying doon sa Samaritan na ano ba, restaurant ba 'yon? Restaurant ba 'yon? In Samaritan place?
Hindi po, Your Honor, parang farm po siya.
Farm?
Lugar po nung compound po ito ni Mr. Santa
Were
Maria.
you aware that this Vietnamese national wanted to kill himself? Meron tayong video na ilalabas natin dito that he wanted to kill himself kaysa sumama sa inyo para ibalik doon sa Sunyuan. And did you offered an affidavit of desistance to this Vietnamese national? Yes or no?
No, Your Honor.
No?
Yes, Your
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi, kasama ba PAOK TF? Kasama ba sila sa kaso na pinila ng PAOK about this issue regarding this Vietnamese national, si Nguyen Minh Duc?
Si Mr. Duc or Danny is one of our witnesses complainants po doon sa original case na pinail natin laban doon sa unang 8 foreign nationals po na nakasuhan natin.
Okay, De Mayo, did you purchase or somebody order you to purchase a flight, a one-way ticket going to Vietnam?
No, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, De Mayo. I'm again warning you, nawawala lang yung ticket dito. Pero I got a ticket, the one-way ticket of Cebu Pacific, and we will try to find out from Cebu Pacific who purchased this ticket or ayan na, yung ticket na yan. Somebody bought this sa Cebu Pacific para ibigay doon kay Nguyen Minh Duc. And an affidavit of desistance was offered to him. As a matter of fact, yung kanyang affidavit, nakasulat dito, accusing the PNP for offering that affidavit of desistance and offering as well this Cebu Pacific ticket para makauwi na siya at hindi na siya bumalik doon sa Bamban. Now you are denying all of this.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are denying that you bought this.
I did not bought that, Your Honor.
So sino bumili nito?
I don't know, Your Honor.
Hindi ba si Mayor Alice Go ang bumili nito? Mayor, hindi ba ikaw bumili nito? Okay. So maliwanag, ha? In the next hearing, Mr. Chairman, we'll be asking the Cebu Pacific through Mr. Frederick Go to give us a detail of the February 27 booking date 2024. Booking reference number OF7NNS. Flight from Manila to Ho Chi Minh. Okay? So, basically, we will be able to find out sino ang bumili ng ticket na to. Kung ikaw o somebody ordered you para bilhin ng ticket na to. Hindi. Gusto nilang pauwiin si yung Vietnamese para hindi na siya tumistigo against the yung sa Pogo and at the same time dun sa mga opisyal sa PNP.